this stage I'm making an executive decision in that the bottom plank there now is looking a bit grubby compared to the top two planks in this one. And this one's got a fair audition, it's making these gaps get bigger. So while I've got the chance, I'm going to take it apart, take that off, run them through the planer, come back. You know what that's about, so I'll see in a minute. That one through the planer, run that one through the planer. And then I've got to do some fixings into the wall as well to make sure it doesn't wallop this way and also rack that way. So this one can go on there. Right, here we have the progress so far. Looks a bit wonky there. What it is that's got a branch coming off it, look. And actually this piece of wood is not the same log as this one. It's the same wood, still chestnut, but it's not the same log. So I've tried to match in this one to that one as if it sweeps up like that, which looks a bit weird. And then sort of curves off to the left a little bit, hoping to get it to curve off that way a little bit the next one. But I think what I'm going to have to do is, because these logs are getting steadily thinner, that's got to be cut down yet. I think I might reduce the width of this shelf, and I might still reduce the width of this one yet as well. have a look. Oh, does it? Or does that touch? Oh, that touches. Just touches. So if I took off another 5mm of wood, I'd do it, wouldn't it? 25.5, do you remember that? Look at that. Amazing. So all I've got to do now is stop it from wobbling. It's kind of wedged in at the minute, but there's nothing fixed yet, so none of these are fixed. None of this is fixed. I've got to hide some brackets back of there, I think, so I can fix it back to the wall. I am very happy with that. It's turned out better than I thought it was going to. Create quite a nice effect, doesn't it, that? In the corner.